Okay, guys, so along with importing and exporting worlds that you've created or your students have created, you can also go through your Educator resources. And yes, this is teachers only. Sorry, students, you don't have this. But the Educator resources, some of them include already built worlds. So you have an opportunity to download those just like you do when you export a world from your iPad or computer. So you want to sign into your Minecraft, education.minecraft.net. You sign in with your Office 365. And sometimes mine's faster, but it's not today. But that's okay. So this is beneficial because you can take a world that someone has already created, and then you are able to come in and tweak it for your class and use a lesson that someone has already built, and you can tweak for artiques or whatever you may need to have happen. So let's see, I like this one, the eukaryote cells. I just think it's interesting that the kids can explore it. And then they could even create their own cell, a different type of cell, should you want. So we go to View Lesson. And in View Lesson, if there is a downloadable world, you will see this little download assets. If there's not, then you'll want to just look at the lesson plan, and there's a chance that the lesson plan just has the students building something. So you don't even have to worry about what is built. The students are going to do it. In this case, you're using the eukaryote cell that someone else has already built. So I'm going to click on the download assets. And you'll see down here at the bottom, I have a eukaryote cells zip. I'm going to go ahead and open this in my folder. Once it extracts, I can come in and get the eukaryote cells Minecraft world. Now, I will tell you, on the iPad, again, this works just like when you are exporting a world from Minecraft. It's going to give you that opportunity to put it into your Google Drive. Then you can access it on the computer or on the iPad and open it from there. So just like we did before, I'm just going to double click, let it open. I'm going to try and be patient so I don't end up with 10 worlds. And I can come in and edit it, set it up for my students, invite them in as a part of a server, take them on a tour of the cell, maybe give them editing rights, and they can go in and label the different parts of the cell. Use it as inspiration so that they can then make their own, hopefully, example of a cell or an atom or whatever may be coming up in your next unit of study. And if I go to play, I should see it in here. Here we go. So it was edited by the owner on 10/16, so that is what is going to show 10/16. It's not that you opened it today. So I can come in and edit the name, and maybe I just want it to be first period, because I'm going to put different kids in different things. And I can come in and change the settings. Remember, if I don't want them to edit things, I need to come to these classroom settings, and I would want to turn on immutable world so they can't come in and edit. That way they're just walking through and reading. So now I have my own copy of this. If I want to export or copy it again to make one for second period, third period, so on and so forth, I can do that. If I come back here, you'll see that my eukaryote cells has actually moved up to the top, and I'm ready to go with it.